Do you want to know exactly how to make money in affiliate marketing? If so, stick with me. I'm going to share a step-by-step blueprint that both beginner and experienced affiliate marketers alike can follow to make more money faster and easier. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay. I'm a full-time affiliate marketer, and I help people just like you make more money. Affiliate marketing is by far my favorite business model, and here's why. It can be super simple. Almost anyone can have massive success in affiliate marketing, even with no previous experience. You do not need to have your own product to sell. There are no customer service, inventory, or shipping hassles. Because it's all done online, you can do it from wherever you want to be. You do not need to be at home or sitting at a desk. I even do it while I'm out sailing. You can really leverage your time too. Affiliate marketing is one business model you can do in just minutes a day. But of course, the real reason I'm in affiliate marketing is for the money. Not only can you earn a substantial income, but you can make money fast. Even beginner marketers can make money their first day. And best of all, you can get paid long-term passive income too. You know, money that keeps coming in month after month for the sales you make each day. I haven't worked a real job in over 20 years now, and it's more than just the money. It's the time freedom too. Imagine being able to do the things you really want to do when you want to do them. However, for all of this to come together, you are going to need some help. And that's where my step-by-step blueprint comes in. It's all in my free ebook, The Affiliate Marketing Success Blueprint, and yes, it is free. Download your copy now. It will show you step-by-step how to cut years off the learning curve and take the fast track to success in affiliate marketing by copying what works. It will be almost like having me, an industry leader with decades of experience, as your personal mentor. You'll never wonder what to do next. No more wasting time trying to find the right marketing strategy. No more wasting money on crummy leads, courses, or training programs. People love the way my free ebook is direct and to the point. I share everything that has helped me have massive success in affiliate marketing in easy to follow steps. You will not find a better way to finally create the time and money freedom that you deserve. I'll reveal the big problem in the affiliate marketing industry that nobody tells you about, and more importantly, share the solution too, so that you don't fall victim to it also. You will learn the real key to affiliate marketing success. It is something most people miss, and I explain the big hurdle every affiliate marketer must overcome and how to do it. Plus, I teach you about branding and promoting you. When you follow what I share in the ebook, affiliate marketing can be one of the simplest things you've ever done. Like I said earlier, anyone can have massive success. So download your copy of the ebook now. I'm not sure how much longer I will be able to offer it for free. To get your free ebook, go to affiliatemarketingsuccessblueprint.com. Again, that's affiliatemarketingsuccessblueprint.com. Then all you have to do is copy what works. Grab your ebook now. We'll talk soon.